Yesterday, the company that makes the BlackBerry released their new touchscreen tablet, the Playbook. You heard about this thing? Yeah. They're calling it the iPad killer. Well, Apple says they're not worried. In fact, today, Apple released an ad for their newest must-have product.
Sleek, revolutionary, groundbreaking. It will change the way you work, play, think about everything. We don't know what it is yet, but here's what we do know. It costs $599, $799 for the more expensive model. The new Idea. Pre-order yours now. And if you've already paid for your Idea, coming soon, the Idea 2 from Apple. Look, we know you're going to buy it.
The ad's so sleek, I want one, though.
I know. I was going to ask if I could go pre-order one.
I know. I don't know what they're talking about, but I want it.